Hello guys, this is the Gangster Baker and we are opening chests today. That's it basically. 2 free spins! Yay, lucky me. Now my friend, Flash149, fortunately can't be here with me today. Go check out his YouTube channel though. He got the golden phone by just spinning it. Like just from this, it was so lucky. I wasn't there when he did it, but I've seen his account and he actually has. Go play Pixel Gun and check out his account. Goggles, that's okay, I guess. You either want Spark Shark or a Golden Friend. That's not either of them. Also, you may have seen me in episodes such as GTA and stuff. Reference to a film. If anybody guesses that reference, then I will shout you out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did that just happen? Did that just happen? Did that actually just happen? Okay guys, I just got that. Now I'm kind of freaking out. Because, I mean, I wasn't going to record this at first, but I just thought, you know what? I got stuff. Ain't uploading in a while, I'm going to record. Okay, I'm just going to turn that. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm calm now. I'm calm. Next on the list is Spark Shark. That's not Spark Shark, that's a duck. I mean bird. Looks like a duck. That should be a duck. Crazy duck, I'm gonna call it, not crazy bird. And like on this video, if you talk when you're like nervous kind of stuff and stuff. Just gonna equip it. 9 stars, okay. Oh come on, I need level 17 to upgrade it, but you know I'm happy. I got this armor. Got a new cape, I think. I got what's this do? My hands are literally shaking. It's a weird thing though, my voice just as normal, but the rest of my body just having a spice attack. Guys, by the way, I'm just gonna tell you what the reference was. It was Future Armor. If I can, I'll add a clip of that in. Probably won't be able to though. I'm not that good at editing. Just joking, I'm not good at editing. Oh yeah, and guys, I got this, bought this. Yeah, just saying right now, I'm not sponsored by this game. If anybody's thinking that, I'm not sponsored. Just making this video because I love this game. Just go check it out. And again, I'm not sponsored. If I was, this video at the bottom left would say, paid sponsor thing. Or whatever it says. No wait, it's a paid promotion. I know ads would come up about this game. But it didn't. I don't think. I've not uploaded this video. So, I don't know. Now guys, if I got the golden shark? That's a golden shark. Can't speak today. If I get the spark shark, then my friend would be so jealous. Because he's got a golden friend. I just got that. But he really wants a spark shark. I weren't looking at the screen right then, so I don't know what I got. So guys, if you saw what I got, which you probably did, please comment. Oh wait, no, you won't need to. I'll be able to go and see. Two spins. Also, if you've never played this game and you see me land on something like that, it's not the actual gun, it's just a skin. The golden anti-hero rifle skin. So. Five coins. Don't really want that, but okay. Also, guys, if you're wondering how I got these 100 gems. My friends the other day, we went on the new event. I'll just show you it. Kind of new actually. We went on this top right, next to the coins and gems and stuff. It's like a little jetpack kind of thing. Click on it, and there's all these stuff. And then we went on this. No, wait, this one. We clicked on one of those. And we got it. I think it was this. No. It was this one. Right there. We won that. And we're just going to do it for you right now. 7 parts. Okay, we might just do a few of these. Okay, we're going to do one more. Okay, they were all bad. You need to get 250 parts, so. And yes, I wasted quite a few gems, but since I got a golden friend, I just don't care. Because that's really what I wanted to do. All 50 coins, that's pretty nice. Hopefully I'll stop getting skins. Let's be honest, who really wants skins? They're like 15 coins or 20. Some are 20, but only really good ones are 20. Another 50 coins. Thank you, game. And guys, I'm still shaking. Wait, what? I just got... What was that? I got a Hitman thing. And guys, this is my new voice. Yes, I have evolved. My voice used to be like this, speaking like, hello, I'm Gangster Bacon. Now I am doing another video. Well, now I've evolved. No show, no use. My voice still glitchy. I'm not a robot, my voice don't glitch. My voice breaks. If I got 50 gems then I would be so happy. Okay guys, last chest. Pray for me, I'm not going to look at this one, I'm just going to spin it. Click it and then put it. You can't see my face right now, but I'm just facing it down. I got a cape. That one. Okay guys, well, this is the end of the video. And I am using a special app for this, which is called Dew Recorder. This one right here. Again, not sponsored by anyone. Just Go get that app if you're starting YouTube. You want to make some. So, this will be the end of the video. And bye guys.